adult beverage refrigerator cooler. First off, the overall dimensions. The length from left to right. We have 48 3/4 inches. Depth, 24.5 inches. Height with caster wheels, 41 inches tall. And without the wheels, we have 35 3/4 inches. Included are a set of 4 keys, each for each lock. You have your power switch, the light switch, and the Dixel analog controller for temperature adjustment and everything else in this controller that's needed to have this refrigerator functioning. Dual slide doors, adjustable shelves, which can be leveled to the desired level of your choice, and a sticker diagram with the schematics and the ETL certification. This refrigerator cooler is also a 110/120 outlet connection, standard plug. For more questions or any concerns regarding our products, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more of our selection. Thank you.